My heart broken, and sometimes I'm thankful for the loss of this person. Like, I'm genuinely grateful that the relationship ended, because when I look back, it is not lost on me the luck that this relationship has ended, because it would not have been for the best for it to continue, even if in the moment I did not realize that, you know, or even just accepting that it was time, because there were times in the relationship I knew it probably should have ended, and I was never gonna leave it unless I got like a slap in the face reason to go, which for me was getting cheated on. And sometimes I'm thankful. I'm like, okay, the loss was a good thing, you know, no matter how bad it hurts. And then other times it feels like there is a giant void and hole inside of me that I have no idea what to do with, and I'll drive by the place that we went on our first day, and suddenly all of my insides and my guts are like violently twisting at the thought that that was once ours, and I don't know what to do with this space, and I don't know what to fill it with. But I don't want to fill it with anything, because nothing will fill the them-sized hole inside of my body. I can't fill it with anything. There's no distraction that would even fit correctly. Like, it is a them-sized hole, perfectly reflects their shape. No distraction will fit that shape perfectly, and it will never be a distraction enough for the space they took up in my life. No matter what I use to distract myself, like, it'll only feel like the torso of the space that is theirs, or an arm or a leg, but it will never fill it completely, and it's always a small void, no matter how much I'm distracting myself, where they once were. But sometimes I'm glad that hole is there, and I'm going to fill it with something that is better, because I know it needed to end. Like, the loss of this person is for the better, and yes, now there's this giant hole, but it'll be filled with something that is for the better. But right now, I just feel the loss of them, and I can just see this giant them-shaped wound inside of me that I guess I'll just have to stitch up, because I can't fill it with anything that'll make me feel better, because it was theirs. And no matter what I fill it with, like, it'll never fill it completely, because nothing will fit their shape, because it's their shape. Nothing will replicate that. So I guess I have to stitch it, maybe, or fill some parts of it and stitch the others. But it hurts. My heart hurts right now. It feels like it's in my throat. You know, like when it like is vibrating, like all of the pain is like a low hum underneath your skin, like in your chest, and you can like feel it here, and it's just spreading throughout your body, but it's always just this deep hum of pain. I feel it. So I'm just picturing like a little gingerbread cutout, but in their shape on